Hi guys, how are you? Happy New Year again. Welcome back. And if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Remy. On this channel, I post twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. On this channel, I talk about how to take care of your natural hair, how to help grow your natural hair, DIYs such as hair growth oil, hair treatment, fashion, hairstyles, and a little bit of everything. Okay, and if that sounds good to you, you know what to do. Subscribe, share, comment, and like, and let me know this is your first time you have stopped by. Okay, I would really appreciate that. And today's video is a bit different. Like I said, on Tuesday you get a little bit of, something different that's not hair related. So today is Tuesday, that's what you will get. So the topic for this video is 10 things that may happen when you turn 30. Okay, so that's today's video. So let's get right into the video. Yes guys, 10 things that that will happen when you turn 30. Disclaimer, okay? That doesn't mean it's going to happen for everyone after 30 or before 30. So let's see what all 10 things are that for me I've seen changed in me once I turned 30. For me, some of the things way before I turned 30. Alright, so tomorrow is actually my birthday. I will not tell you guys how old I will turn. Just guess in the comment section below. Guess it in the comment section below. But first thing that for me I've seen changed once I was like 29, 30. The first thing is time. Oh my gosh, time, time. When I say time, meaning that you see how, like, you realize that how time becomes so important. Time is extremely important. Like money can money comes, money go, and money come back around, but for time, once you lose it, it's you can't get it back. So you cherish time so much, and you tend to like want more time. It's like 24 hours within the day, it's no longer enough for you to do what you got to do. You're so careful about what you spend your time on, who you spend your time with, so time becomes so important. Number two is relationships. Oh my gosh, that is one thing that is so important once you hit a mature age. That could happen before 30 or after 30 or never happened. Okay, relationships become so important. What I mean by that is your circle becomes smaller but stronger. Because when you're in your 20s, you just like, you have friends, but really you don't focus on like really men relationships. So when you turn to like a mature age, like you're not worrying about the amount of friends that you have, but you're more about like the connections that you have with certain friends. Like even if you have two friends is enough. Even if you have three friends, I'm not saying just friends. Like you can have a lot of friends, but when I'm talking about like really good and close friends that like become part of your family, those type of friends I'm referring to. Number three is self-development, meaning that like, you know who you are, and you more focus about my purpose. Like, what is my purpose? You start to ask yourself questions like, what is my purpose on this earth? Why was I created? And what am I here to do? You have such an hunger to know what is my purpose, like what I am on this earth for. And I want to be known. I don't want to depart from this earth without fulfilling my purpose, or I don't want to leave without leaving a legacy behind, especially if you have kids. Number four. Number four is money. Okay, I mean this doesn't have an age, but once you turn 30, you have a good relationship. For some people it never happened because some people don't have good relationship money. Okay, but you tend to have to look at money in a different way. What I mean by that is just like, to you money it's important, but money is not valuable. I don't know if that makes sense. Once you establish that relationship that, yeah, I need money, but money is not everything. and then you are able to, like, if I have it, I don't have to hold on to it, I don't have to be cheap, I can spend it, it's gonna come back around. More willing to take a risk when it comes to money, or to invest, or to do that, because I know if I worked for my money and I made it, and I know I can work again to make it again. So you tend to, like, to look at money as it's important, but there's no value on money. I don't know if what I'm saying it makes sense. That's how I look at money. You need money to make this world move. Without money, you can't really do nothing. Okay? So, and then you start to say, how can you start to think to yourself, how I know, if especially if some of us have like a full-time job, you start to think like, I am working a full-time job, it's not gonna bring me no financial freedom. So how can I make extra money? What can I do? What size hustles can I do to make extra money? You start thinking about, how can I make my $100 to $1,000? How can I turn my $1,000 to $10,000? I want my money to work for me. Number 5 is community. Okay, community. When I say community, especially if you are a parent or if you have children, community is very important, and that goes back to relationships. I think it was 2 or 3. It goes back to relationships, and your circle becomes smaller, but it becomes stronger, right? So community is very important. You start to realize that I need to build a community. I need to be in a community. When I say community, I mean community that could made up of family members, friends, close friends, and people who you can rely on, people that are not selfish, people that you know that no matter what, they're going to be there for me. The same mindset of people just like you know that if I am part of this community, if sometimes something happens to somebody, it's not about me, it's about them. So I need to be out of my own comfort, to do things for them, to help them, because I may not be comfortable to do certain things, but the fact that that person in my community need me, I need to do it. It's not about me, it's not about my feelings, and about nobody, because I have people that depends on me. When they need me, I need to be there. Community is important. That doesn't happen overnight. That take time, trust. Okay, you have to trust people, patience, and love within that community. Number 6 is health. Health, that should have been number 1, but like I said, there's no order that which one is more important, because they're all important. There's no age, but for me, that's when I realized that, like, listen, I was aware of these things, but once I turned a certain age, like, they become like, no, this is my life. So health, your health, you start to pay attention to your health. You start to listen to your body. When your body said, hey, I have pain somewhere, I have pain in my breast, or I have pain on my neck, I have pain on my somewhere in my body, the pain is not the problem. The pain is actually a blessing, because your body telling you something is wrong, you need to go check it out. Also, when it comes to health, you realize that once you turn 30, I don't know if it's for me, if it's only me, but once you turn 30, your body tells you what to do. You start to crack, your knees start to like cracking, your bone hurts, you can't, it's different, okay? Especially if somebody you don't work out, it's, listen, but once you turn 30, your body, if you don't keep it in shape, is going to break down on you. For me, I make sure I go see my doctors. I make sure that, listen, if this is happening, I need to know what's going to happen, and I'm not just gonna take medication just because I have pain. I need to know what's the reason for that, because women like us, people like us, when we go to doctors, our pain seems to be ignored, if you know what I mean. And you start to pay attention to what you eat, okay? Because your body gonna tell you, listen, you used to eat this when you were 20, 25, 26. You can't eat that anymore, okay? And you're also mindful of the kind of food that you put in your body, meaning that high quality food, organic food, not fast food. Number 7 is peace. Oh my gosh. so much. Like you want your peace, you want your space, you don't want people in your face, like you don't wanna the arguing, you're not about that. You just want peace. You get to a point around that age, you get to a point, it's just like, listen, I'm just gonna speak my point of view. I'm gonna speak what I need to speak. You want to accept it, you accept it. You want to argue with it, argue with yourself. But I'm gonna speak what's on my mind, and I'm gonna leave it as that. Okay, you believe in that? That's what you believe in? Okay, that's fine. All right. Okay. I'm like, why am I arguing with someone? If you, it's either you want to accept it, you want to understand it, or you don't want to. I'm not going to argue with you. That's your point of view. That's what you believe in. That's mine. You're not gonna change. This is what I believe in. Let's leave it like that, and let's love each other, and that's it. Like certain arguments, it's valid to have, because some people probably, like, you might say something that's hurtful to someone, and then that person, you had to make sure that, okay, well, how did I hurt you, and then to talk it out. But certain things is just like, it's not worth it. I just need my peace over here. Number 8 is love. That also can go back to community. Love. You love deeper, and not only that, you love deeper, you focus on really quality relationships. You cultivate relationship that is going to be around for a long time. You cultivate friendships that bring values to your life, and you also bring value to their lives as well. Not only you relationships, people that just come to take, but they never available when you need them. So it's all about love. All of us need love. The angry person on the internet, bullying somebody else that they don't even know, they need love. You spend a little bit time more with people, you hug a little bit longer, you value people more, because at this age you have people that surround you that dying from left and right. So you just like, wow, once you're not here, you're not here. So number 9 is comfort. Comfort, okay? When I say that, physical comfort, okay? When you're in your 20s, you're like, oh my god, I gotta look cute. Now give me my flat, give me my sweatpants, give me my hoodie, I'm okay. But for some of us, it's just like, no, I want to stay home. I just want to stay home and be comfortable. You care more about brunch with friends, have good conversation, deep conversation, talk about plan for the future, just game night, these things. That's what final one is number 10, which is spirituality. Okay, that's so important, which I can relate it back to knowing your purpose. And once you reach a certain age, you start to like develop a personal relationship with whoever you serve. Like, it's not about my parents telling me that I need to do this. It's not about my parents telling me I have to go there. It's about me. What is that I believe in? Like, you start to branch out, and some people do experience, I'm searching over there, searching that. We all looking to belong somewhere spiritually. Okay, spirituality is really foundation. It's foundation of us, because if anybody that doesn't have any spirituality, all of us have spirituality. It just looks different. Guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, let me know which one that I don't want to ask you for your age, but guess my age in the comment section below, and wish me a happy birthday, because tomorrow is my birthday. My birthday is on the 5th. And guys, let me know which one that happened for you before you were 30, or if it happened for you after you turn 30. The bones cracking, the knee cracking. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, because I want to be monetized this year. But I'm counting on you guys to help me reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. So please watch this video all the way through. If you made it to this to the end, thank you so much. Share it, like it, okay, and become part of this family. Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you on the next video.